Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful look. Also, there is a wonderful surprise for all my makeup lovers, so stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this. So I've recently learned an amazing makeup trick that will be shown later in this video, and all of this is because of a makeup platform which is ironing all my makeup doubts and queries and teaching me a lot more things when it comes to makeup. It's the Airblack Beauty Club. Now, this is India's largest makeup learning platform where you can learn makeup step by step from India's topmost makeup experts. I personally took so many years to achieve everything I have today, but you are lucky because this platform is giving scholarships to my community for the makeup course in private Zoom batches. And the best part of these workshops are the experts answer your questions and also give you look reviews. So all the important details and all the links will be mentioned in the information box below. So check it out because I'm sure you don't want to miss on it. Now coming back to the makeup look that I showed you. This makeup has this amazing beauty trick that I've recently learned, which is to use a liquid lipstick as an eyeshadow. And without any further ado, I will straight dive into it. So I've already done my skincare routine before the makeup application because I'm a strong believer that good skin leads to flawless makeup. So as the first step, I'm applying a foundation. I bought this online for myself. Now, I know that it can be a real struggle to buy the right shade for yourself online, but you need to first figure out what formulation you want. Is it liquid, creamy, or a powder one? Then you also need to understand your skin's undertone. So if it is cool, warm, or neutral, and then look for the similar words in the shade names you see online. You can also take help from the reference images of beauty influencers or actresses or makeup artists who have similar skin tone, as that could also direct you to the exact shade. And the right way to test if it's a true match for your skin tone is to swatch it on your jawline. As the next step, I'm applying a concealer under my eye area so that it brightens a little bit and all the darkness goes away. I'm also going to apply the concealer on my nose area just to highlight it a little bit. And I'm blending all of that in together. So I've recently learned that a liquid lipstick could be doubled as an eyeshadow just in case, which is exactly what I'm doing here. I've taken this purple liquid lipstick and I'm applying it as an eyeshadow because I did not have a purple eyeshadow, and I think this really will work wonderful. Now, since I have completely applied the purple lipstick as an eyeshadow, I'm going to blend it all in so that there are no harsh lines and everything looks really seamless. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm using a mascara and just applying it on my lashes. Then I'm also going to be filling in my eyebrows and shaping them. It's very important to contour the face at the right exact point. So I'm contouring my face under my cheekbones and also contouring my nose a little bit because I think that step makes a lot of difference. I'm applying a light pink shade on the apples of my cheeks just to bring out some pop of color on my face. And to finish off the look, I'm using this bright nude lipstick which has a beautiful satin finish. So if you want to be a pro makeup YouTuber, or if you want to be a professional makeup artist, or if you want to open your own salon, then look at the description box because it will have all the required details. But remember, they have limited 50 seats. They're purely on first come first serve basis, so you must not miss out on this opportunity. I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. It was really simple and I think it was really cool. So try it out and let me know what you think about it. I will see you very soon. Bye.